Have you ever wondered why some people always seem to achieve their goals, no matter how challenging the journey, while others give up halfway? It's not about talent, intelligence, or even luck. The secret lies in one simple but powerful word: consistency. In this video, we'll explore why consistency is the key to success and how embracing it can transform your life. Stick with me till the end, and you'll understand how small, steady actions can create massive, life-changing results. Success is never an accident. It's the result of deliberate, consistent effort applied over time. Imagine planting a tree. You water it once and walk away. Days later, the soil dries, and the seed dies before it has the chance to grow. Now think about this. What if you watered it every single day? What if you gave it sunlight and care? Slowly but surely, it would grow into a strong, towering tree. That's exactly how consistency works. It nurtures your goals and ensures they flourish. The truth is, most people fail not because they lack the ability, but because they lack persistence. They start strong, filled with motivation and enthusiasm, but when progress seems slow or obstacles appear, they give up. What they don't realize is that consistency isn't about perfection. It's about showing up even when it's hard. It's about sticking to your plan, even when you don't see immediate results. Consistency creates momentum. The more you do something, the easier it becomes. Think about it like rolling a snowball down a hill. At first, it's small and requires effort to push. But as it keeps rolling, it grows bigger and gains speed. That's the power of repeated effort. It builds momentum, making progress feel natural and unstoppable. Consistency also compounds over time. This concept is like investing. You may start by saving a small amount, and at first, it feels like it's going nowhere. But as you keep investing, the growth multiplies. Small actions repeated consistently lead to big results. Whether it's improving your skills, building a business, or adopting a healthy lifestyle, every little step counts when done consistently. But let's be honest, consistency isn't glamorous. It's not exciting or dramatic. It's the opposite of instant gratification. It's about discipline, patience, and showing up, even when you don't feel like it. And that's why so many people struggle with it. They chase shortcuts, quick wins, and overnight success, only to be disappointed. The truth is, there are no shortcuts to greatness. The real magic happens in the daily grind, in the small, unremarkable moments when you choose to stay the course. Think about the legends we admire: athletes, artists, entrepreneurs, or thinkers. They didn't achieve greatness overnight. They got there through years of consistent effort. Michael Jordan spent countless hours practicing his shots. Leonardo da Vinci sketched tirelessly before creating his masterpieces. Consistency isn't just a habit, it's a lifestyle. It's a commitment to yourself and your goals, no matter how long it takes. So, how do you develop consistency? Start small. Pick one habit or goal and commit to it daily. Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on showing up. Track your progress to stay motivated. And most importantly, be patient. Remember, consistency isn't about speed, it's about sustainability. It's better to move slowly and keep going than to rush and burn out. The Stoics believed in the power of discipline and persistence. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Consistency gives you that power, the ability to control your actions and shape your destiny. In the end, success isn't about doing extraordinary things once in a while. It's about doing ordinary things consistently. Every great achievement begins with a single consistent step. So, what step will you take today? Will you stay stuck in the cycle of inconsistency? Or will you commit to the journey, no matter how slow or challenging it may seem. Success isn't reserved for the talented or the lucky. It's for those who choose consistency, who show up every day and trust the process. And remember, it's not about where you start. It's about where your consistent efforts will take you.